Well, good afternoon. Still the risk of a few more downpours this afternoon for most of the morning, even though it was kind of a pain in the neck to navigate through for the morning commute. Beneficial rain for sure. It doesn't put the drought worries to rest, but it does help. You can see Providence about 1/10 of an inch, Westerly and Newport about 1/3 of an inch of rain so far. And even though Smithfield says 0, trust me, this will not end up as 0, just a little bit of a lag time updating that station in Smithfield. So on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, mostly light to moderate rainfall, but notice this pocket of heavier rainfall and some embedded thunderstorms represented by the red and the yellow here in northern Rhode Island. You can see along Route 44 here in northwestern Rhode Island, a downpour over that area. This will continue to move to the east, so in Smithfield over the next several minutes you'll likely be underneath this downpour with a possible thunderstorm, and then in Providence about 15 or 20, maybe 30 minutes after that. And that's kind of the story for this afternoon. But notice the trend here. At around 3 p.m. still the chance of some showers and downpours with the possibility of some isolated street flooding. So that would be the primary risk from this activity today. But notice how it starts to thin out. 5, 6, 7 p.m. The risk of a scattered shower or a thunderstorm is there, but they are much less numerous. Same thing as we head deeper into the evening. This is around 9 p.m. and then we'll call it partly cloudy skies overnight as things start to wind down. So certainly not coming down in buckets the entire day. It's the next several hours where those showers will be the most frequent. And then there's tomorrow to talk about, and a lot of hot weather on the way. In fact, a heat advisory for Taunton, the Attleboro's, northern Bristol County, Massachusetts. That would be for tomorrow, not today. Even though we do have the humidity today, too many clouds around, too much in the way of showers, and obviously some winds coming in from the south, kind of putting a cap on those temperatures. In Narragansett, boy, these people in Narragansett are tough. Even though we've had light off and on rain, still some people trying to enjoy the beach. Not an A+ beach day, that's for sure. 70 is your dew point right now in Smithfield, 70 Providence, 71 in Newport. When you get those dew points in the low 70s, that's when it does start to feel very humid, and that humidity sticks around for several days. That's because we have high pressure offshore. This front coming in from the west, that acts as kind of a moisture pump, and you can almost see the flow of moisture coming in from the south, and that helps to fuel some of those downpours as well. So showers and thunderstorms at around 2 p.m., at least through 2 p.m. off and on. And then at 5 p.m. we start to thin out the showers and storms, but the chance is still there. And then 8 p.m. looking at 78 degrees with a mix of clouds and sun. Still a very small chance of a shower there. Notice what's happening with our temperatures. The warmest part of today may end up being just before sunset as some of those showers start to die away. 77 at the beach today, with clouds and also some embedded showers and downpours. Had some questions about the Perseid meteor showers. That will peak tomorrow night into Friday night. You may be able to see some of that tonight, but our main issue will be clouds. Not cloudy and overcast the whole night, but definitely times where the clouds will block out your viewing. But I do think there'll be some time to actually see a decent show as well, so we'll keep you updated on that. We have a blog online about that in terms of the forecast and kind of the science behind that meteor shower. There's the 92 for tomorrow, quite hot. The coast will be a little cooler in the 80s. And then there's the weekend to discuss. Now, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's not a washout. We want to emphasize that. But each day there will be the chance of some showers and thunderstorms. And even though the timing on this is not set in stone, if I was going to time this out right now, I would say they are more likely in the late afternoon, early evening as opposed to the morning. But definitely stay tuned as we go into tomorrow. And especially into Friday, we'll have a better handle on the timing of the showers and storms. Maybe one day ends up better than the other in terms of Saturday and Sunday, but that's just a part of the forecast we need to look at more information for. And Tony will have another update live at 5 tonight. And of course, Patrick, you can always take the forecast with you. Our app, which you can find on the App Store, just put in WPRI 12 Pinpoint Weather.
All right, thank you, Pete. Now in stories coming up new tonight.